color box packaging, multimeter, lead wire, instruction manual. Use a screwdriver to unscrew and install a 9V battery to start and use. Turn the function pack to the AC voltage range, insert the probe into the socket to measure the current AC voltage value. Hold-press this button to keep the data on the screen for easy recording. Set the functional range switch to the position, ensuring that the transistor is of PNP or NPN type. Measure the voltage of the battery through current, with a current of not less than 30 mA. Connect the probe in series at both ends of the dot line to measure DC current. Switch the diode gear and accurately distinguish between positive and negative poles to measure the value. The crossed pens and the beep sound indicate that the circuit is connected, no sound is damaged. Adjust the multimeter to the resistance range to measure the resistance value. Measure whether the battery is charged, and the DC voltage regulator displays 29V, proving that the multimeter has high accuracy.